Welcome. In the next 60 seconds, you'll learn exactly how to scan a QR code on Instagram, step by step. First, unlock your phone and open the Instagram app by tapping the Instagram icon. You'll land on your Instagram home feed. Look at the bottom of the screen for the navigation bar. To access the QR code scanner, tap your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner to open your profile. Now you're on your profile page. At the top right, find the three-line menu, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Tap the three-line menu. This opens a panel with more options, including your QR code tools. In the menu, look for the option labeled QR code and tap it to open Instagram's QR screen. You'll see your own Instagram QR code first. To scan someone else's, switch to the scanner view. At the bottom of this screen, tap the Scan QR Code button or camera icon to open the scanner. Your camera will open in QR mode. Point your phone so the QR code fits inside the on-screen frame. Hold steady for a moment. Instagram will detect the QR code automatically and show a pop-up at the bottom of the screen. Tap the pop-up to open the profile or link. That's it, you scanned a QR code on Instagram in just a few taps.